आते हैं बिकॉज सारे टेस्ट और असेसमेंट तो मैम बता चुकी है विभूति मैम ऑलरेडी. सो डायरेक्टली वी आर गोइंग टू द physiotherapy role in sarcopenia. So early recognition and intervention is the key to improve outcomes in the patients with sarcopenia. Screening patients for impairment in their physical function and activities of daily living should be a routine part of healthcare visits for the elderly. Assessments of patients' environments for fall hazards and implementation and precautionary safety measures should be part of the treatment of strategy. An exercise regime is considered a cornerstone in the treatment of sarcopenia. A well-designed progressive resistance exercises training program is well known to expert positive effects on both the nervous and muscular systems and ultimately results in profound enhancements in muscle mass and muscle strength. Strength exercises training should be considered a first-line treatment strategy for managing and preventing both sarcopenia. Short-term resistance exercises has been demonstrated to increase ability and capacity of skeletal muscle to synthesize proteins. Both resistance training and strength training of muscle have been shown to be somewhat successful intervention in the prevention and treatment of sarcopenia. RT has been reported to positively influence the neuromuscular system as well as increase hormone concentration and the rate of protein synthesis. There are some type of strength: relative strength, explosive strength, maximum strength, endurance, speed and starting strength. So first is resistance training. In this free weights exercises, classic strength training tools such as dumbbell bell, barbells and kettlebells. Second, medicine ball or sandbags, weight balls or bags. Weight machines, devices that have adjustable seats with handle attached either to weights or hydraulics. So there are some free weights and kettlebells and weight machines, resistance band जिनके साथ हम काफ़ी सारे exercises कर सकते हैं. Resistance band, like giant rubber bands providing resistance when stretched. They are portable and can be adapted to most workouts. The bands provide continuous resistance throughout a movement. Second, suspension equipment, a training tool that uses gravity and the user's body weight to complete various exercises. And the third one is your own body weight. Can be used for squats, push-ups and chin-ups. Using your own body weight is convenient, especially when traveling or at work. So resistance exercises training. Focus working against resistance to stimulate muscle growth and strength. Example like sit to